Are you going to Bali soon, planning a trip, holiday, a vacation? Are you wondering which travel adapter to take with you? Do you like to travel light and carry the least number of devices that you actually have to? I've got just the thing for you. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here as a travel guide to help you plan better, to know what to expect, so you can have a better experience, to travel better. The travel adapter you need for Bali is this one. 2-pin. That's the Australian adapter. This is a 2-pin Type-C travel adapter. I used to travel with 2 of these. Plus 2 of these USB ports. So I travel with my phone, my Fitbit charger, my power bank charger, my laptop, and my hair straightener plug-in. So with this and this and this, I could have 2 devices plugged in at the same time. My hair straightener and my phone and my power bank, my phone and my laptop. You get the idea. I could have two plugged in at the same time. I found something better. I discovered a 2-pin with 2 USBs built into it. How handy is that? So at any one time, I can have 3 devices plugged in at the same time. I could have my hair straightener and my phone and my power bank, or my laptop, my phone, my power bank, my Fitbit. You get the idea. I could have 3 devices plugged in at the same time. How cool is that? It's very cool, very convenient. I love to travel minimalist and light and carry on only. So I'm always looking for ways to take the least amount of things that I have to take. So I travelled through Thailand and Bali with this, and it works a treat. It is absolutely awesome. I picked this one up at Bunnings in Australia. It's a Jackson. They're a little bit more expensive with the USB ports, but oh my goodness, it's worth it. It's worth it. Bonus tip, get yourself an extra long USB charger cord when you travel. Let me show you. I used to just travel with this one. You can see it's just this long. Sometimes the power point is much further away than what you need it to be. So I got myself one of these. This one's 2 meters long, and I travel with both of them. And the 2 meter one is turned out to be very, very, very handy and very convenient at times. Get yourself one of these too. It's worth it. Enjoy Bali. Happy traveling. If you like this, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, more travel guides, and more travel adventures.